Hello fellow travelers and welcome to Exit Through the Gift Shop. Today we are exploring the Burnaby Village Heritage Museum. The Burnaby Village Museum contains a number of heritage buildings which have been moved on site for preservation. Inside the music shop we're going to take a turn on the player piano. This locomotive, known as Old CURLEY, is the oldest surviving steam locomotive in British Columbia. It was used during the 1880s to help build the Canadian Pacific Railroad. This replica church was built in the 1970s and is available for wedding ceremonies. While we're here, we're going to check out a silent film at the Central Park Theatre. Just checking out the vault and the Heritage Bank. According to this sign here, if I say $11 a month till I am 65, I'll be worth $5,000. Alright, this is a cool item. This is a 1910 CCM motorized bicycle which has been fully restored. Back in the day, this could go up to speeds of 30 miles an hour and could get up to 130 miles per gallon. Someone's doing some laundry outside of the log cabin. Nausea and vomiting and a rash, so it looks like we have scarlet fever. So our prescription for capsicum, arsenic, lavender, and Humphreys number 77. We're going to spin the wheel and check out if the cure works. It is, chronic. Since a lot of these buildings are original, they come with their fair share of ghost stories. The museum actually runs a ghost tour in October, which we may be back for. One of the other highlights of the museum is the Interurban streetcars, which have been fully restored. These electric streetcars were built in 1912 and ran until the 1950s. We recently visited the Heritage Railway in Surrey, which has one of the sister cars to the one that I'm currently standing in. I'll post a link up above so you can check out that video as well if you want to find out more. The museum also includes one of the original 1911 tram stations which was used on the Interurban line. One of the highlights of the museum is this fully restored 1912 CW Parker Carousel, which is accompanied by this 1925 Wurlitzer band organ, or also known as a band in a box. There's also an exhibit on the restoration of the carousel. Here you can see one of the horses before restoration.
Before they were carefully repainted and finished.
Alright, that's it for today from the Burnaby Village Museum. We had lots of family-friendly fun and got to learn a few things about the history of the area. Please remember to like and subscribe so you can stay up to date on all our latest adventures, and check out the interactive map so you can see all the cool places that we've already been. Until next time, it's time to exit through the gift shop. Holy sheet metal works!